What's up, y'all? We back again for another Pokemon unboxing video. So in this video we will be unboxing Sword and Shield Chilling Reign pack. So also leave your favorite Pokemon card in the comments below. I would like to know. So yeah, this is the pack. So we back again. We on a hollow streak as well. Hollow or ultra rare. We've been hitting them all videos, so let's see if we can get another one. See if we can get another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Yes, come on. Come on, almost there. Energy card. Okay. And the streak continues. Okay, who's that? Avery. Alright. Y'all let me know what you think of that pack in the comments below. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And my Instagram and TikTok. Let's get it to 10K. So, yeah, let's keep this going. I'm out this thing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.